So we could not wait till spring to take this listing, and I am so excited to show you guys. This property is nearly 1.6 acres of absolute homesteader's paradise. With a year-round pond and creek, lots of edible wild plants, large garden, fruit trees, perennials, and a chicken coop. The character home has a huge bright kitchen and living room, 3 bedrooms, and has had updates throughout the years, such as a newer metal roof, septic field, propane furnace, wood stove, and so much more. The property has a huge 3-bay metal workshop, which is approximately 60 by 27 feet. It's insulated and perfect for the car enthusiast. And in 2017, a brand new cabin was built on the property with vaulted ceilings, and it will absolutely wow you. It has a fantastic floor plan with a kitchenette, living room, bedroom, bathroom, and a covered deck overlooking the backyard. It also has a cozy wood stove, a heat pump, hot water on demand, and a washer dryer. There's a brand new garage that was recently built on the property. It also has a metal roof, and it's about 12 by 24 feet, leaving lots of room for storage and a workbench. This gorgeous property is tucked away on a very quiet road with lots of walking trails and Canyon Park close by. Yet only 10 minutes away from town for all your groceries, restaurants, coffee shops, wineries, recreation center, hospital, and so much more.